here we go to save the day. Curtis made me a latte, so I gotta hurry up and get there. What's that smell? It smells like a weird grill slash wood. Like, you know how people grill with that specialty wood? Let's go this way. Oh, I'm so full. I didn't even eat that much, I feel like. Well, I guess I had 2 hard-boiled eggs, and then an avocado, and then some nuts. Hey, there's a GMC Acadia. No, it's not. It's the smaller one, because that has the horizontal fog light area. They sure are working on a lot of these streets. The only bad thing about eating peanuts is I feel like I get the dusty, you know, shell kind of stuck in my throat. And then when you're on the motorcycle, you can't cough very well. Or I like this road. It's nice and clean and new. Why do my brakes have to squeak? Uh-oh, the Dodge Durango's not there anymore. There was one there for like a week that I think was repoed. And I'm looking for a new car, but definitely too expensive. There's a GMC Acadia. Nope, it's not the Acadia. That's the Terrain or whatever it's called. It's really hard to tell the difference. There's another one. They are stinking everywhere. Green, 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 green. Is this like a 4-cylinder in front of me or what? It seriously has the tiniest exhaust pipe I've ever seen. Why's it gotta be so cold? 70 degrees. My fuel tank was full when I left the church. Now it's on 2 bars. What kind of a warning is that? Is it because the way it was sitting at the church? Was it tipped a certain way or something? Oh, my speedometer is going nuts. It says 80, 90. Look at it, it says 90 right now. Not true. Now I'm going 40. 50. 60. Oh, I went 70 down the alley. Well, maybe my fuel tank and my mile per hours are off. Just great. Just what I want to do is fix more stuff. Well, at least it says I'm going 0 now. Is it gonna rain? We'll just go up here just in case. Although it's probably not that bad if it rains. My bike is really dirty. Okay. That was interesting. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I'm not sure what's happening, but this was at 4 bars when I started my bike. Remember, it was 2 when we were riding here and it was full last time? So now it was at 4, now it's at 3. Also remember, the mile per hour gauge was not working last time. It's not hit the building here. Time to go home. There's my car, the Trailblazer, that barely functions. It still functions though. There's a difference between not functioning and barely functioning. It's barely functioning. It still gets me from point A to point B. Whoa, look at those new paint lines. How long have they been there? Are we still recording? Yep. This is what I like about the old GoPro. This is an old GoPro 4. Of course, it has easy audio hookups, but it also has a way brighter LED than I was running a Osmo action camera, which of course I really like the quality of, but you can't tap into audio as easily, and then you can't, sorry, I'm getting distracted. This light distracts me because people run it, and my gas gauge just went down another couple. But I like the Osmo Action, but you can't get audio into it very easily. So there it is. Okay, nobody ran the light today. There's a first time for everything. Okay, I'm super excited because now I can change lanes, get into this lane, see how this side feels. They ground it down earlier, so let's just take a look here. Oh, perfectly smooth. I'm so excited, you don't understand. That changes my life. I think they did it a few places around town. I noticed it somewhere else today too on a main highway. Can you even hear me at this speed? I think my gauge is working. It says 60. Look at that beast. Of course, there's a boat up here. Let's rub that in a little bit. Rub it in that we had a boat, and then we didn't have a boat. That's about the same size too. Outboard motor, says 200 on it. It's a Sea Ray, it's not a Larson, but it's got the nice top on it. It's the kind of boat I want. Oh well, it wasn't time. Hey, there's a GMC Acadia up there. I'd like to check it out. Oh, there's one. That bump right there hurts. They have not fixed. So I wanted to check out this Acadia right here, because this is what I'm looking at. I can't tell from the back what year it is. I'm gonna have to figure out how to tell. But this looks like approximately the year that I'm looking for. I try not to be too distracted by following it. It is a black Acadia though. It is a nice one. I think it's right in the range. It's got the dual exhaust. It's got the bumper sensors. It's all-wheel drive. I'd really like to get in front of it though. 4,500 RPM right now. Here we go. I can tell. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one I want right there. There's one right there. That's the older one though. See, the fog lights are about halfway up the bumper. That one right there, they're down low. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I can tell from the back what the newer year looks like and how I can tell the difference from the back. But anyways, that's the one I want right there. And they are everywhere. You're not kidding. See how many more we can find. I wouldn't mind an orange vehicle. Well, I like to be kind of crazy sometimes. I either want it to just be like black or white with a lot of black accent, or ridiculous like neon color. Like an amazing blue, not like a dull blue, like an amazing blue. Or like, look at that, black with yellow. I mean, I wouldn't drive that, but it's making a statement right there. So is that a Mercury? What is that up there? We gotta go find out. Tornado. Can't remember what brand that is, a Tornado. This is kind of nice that the merge is on the other side now. Sorry, I've had some coffee, so I might be talking a little too much. I am home, and the recorder is still functioning within normal parameters. Goodbye.